the biggest thing that was different for me from working with Active Life was that it worked. And I think the mindset and the mentality that at the time I was working with Sean, but that Sean brought was, we are going to get this fixed. We are going to go to the root cause and you will be better. And so, it took some time, and I think I saw early that it was going to be personalized to me. And there was just this comfort that we've done this before and we are going to get you through this and we're not going to fail you on this. And then it was backed up with specificity and things that felt very different to me, that met my body where it was at and progressively moved me so that I could see short term changes that ultimately ended up massively changing the way I could move and what my body could do. Yes, I would say if you are hopeless, if you are frustrated, if you are skeptical, I was all of those things. I have been there. I had 10 plus years of back pain before I found Active Life. I promise you, take the risk, go on the journey, lean in, and I'm certain you will see the value and your body will respond.